What's up, everybody? Um, so, started a little something on the car. Basically, dropped the engine yesterday. Um, gonna do some stuff with the wiring today. I gotta sell some stuff, keep my business going. That way I can afford some parts, afford some stuff that I need. So, hopefully I can get some stuff sold here soon and I can carry on with this, but this is where we got. I'll show you right now. So basically, motor's sitting on the ground. Can't get the car high enough because I have a little shitty jack. Happens. Did a total sketchy way of getting it down. Used a bunch of ratchet straps. Lowered one side with the middle holding it. I used 3. Lowered 2 sides, and then about an inch lowered the middle, and continuously did that until it was on the ground. So that's how we did that. It wasn't exactly ideal, but it worked. Got it done. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm gonna put the ECU inside of the car, and there's the subframe. I'll have to drop the trans. Got a whole lot of shit to do now, really, at this point. Eventually, clean up the engine bay. You can see it much easier now. It's awful. Looks awful. Need to replace the drive shaft. It's not clicking, so maybe we can just get a boot, re-grease it after we clean it up, and see if that works. This side's not too bad, but this side is where all the power steering leaks out. Well, did leak out, and drive shaft grease all over there, all along the back, splattered. Gotta build a block off plate for that, and yep, that's about it for right now. Now you'll be able to actually see these holes easier. There's 2 there. That top one broken, and then that one is broken. Also got to clean the motor up because it's disgusting. I don't like that. So that's gonna be in a later video. For right now, I'm gonna get this ECU done inside the car, mount it up, and yeah, might show some of the things that I go through when I extend some of the wires if I have to. I have actually a pretty good amount of leeway on them, so I'm thinking that I won't really have to, but I'll probably have to extend some of the wires down this way. I'm not going to do them on this side because if some reach, I don't want to have added a bunch more wire. So yeah, hopefully it's not too bad to do. Like most wiring, it'll probably be a pain in the ass though. So yep, stay tuned with that. But yep, I'm gonna get started on this, and I'll give you an update when I get everything done that I need. So I gotta push all these wires through, and then I'll be mounting the ECU maybe to this thing right here. It sits like that ish, kind of somewhere, so I might bolt it to this, Not 100% sure yet, but I'm gonna figure something out. That way the engine bay looks a little bit cleaner. It'll be a little bit easier to get some tuck on the wires too, so yep, that's the plan. Alright, so I got the majority of the plugs out. There's 5 that I need to extend, including the grounds. I might just be able to ground them somewhere inside of the chassis, but I think that grounding them in the stock spot will be the best option. And that already looks 1,000 times better than what it did. Most of these should reach. Math plug should reach. Throttle body plug will have to be extended. Most of these wires will have to be extended, but it looks better than what it did, so I'm happy with that. Make a little block off plate for that, and let's see what else we're gonna get into here. I'll let you guys know. So as you can see in the short little time lapse that I just did, I just cleaned up the subframe, rear engine mount, and alternator bracket. Got to clean up the alternator bracket a little bit more, but that'll come at a different time. I'll probably paint the subframe because there's a little bit of rust on it. Don't want that to start corroding and eating holes in it and then have to replace that. That'll probably be all for today. I don't really have the other things that I need to get the stuff done that I need to do, so yeah, I think that we'll end it right there. And yep, keep it DIY, keep having fun, peace.